Look at your browser right now. Be honest. How many extensions do you have pinned up there? 5, 10, 25. You've got Grammarly for your typos, a YouTube summarizer for those 3-hour podcasts, a PDF reader that barely works, a VPN, a dark mode toggler, and some ChatGPT sidebar that glitches every time you refresh. Your browser isn't a tool anymore. It's a digital graveyard. It's eating your RAM, slowing down your laptop, and honestly, it's cluttering your brain. 2 weeks ago, I did something terrifying for a tech YouTuber. I deleted them all. Every single one. I replaced my entire workflow 10 of the most popular Chrome extensions with just one AI powerhouse. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this one tool does the work of an entire army. I'm talking about deep research, instant coding, viral content creation, and even automating my emails while I sleep. By the end of this video, you won't just want to delete your extensions, you'll realize you've been working in the Stone Age of AI. Let's get brainy. Before I reveal that one tool to rule them all, we have to talk about the extension trap. In 2025 and early 2026, we saw an explosion of wrapper apps. Every time a new AI model dropped, someone made a Chrome extension for it. Need to summarize a PDF? There's an extension. Need to fix a line of Python? Extension. Need to find a coupon code? Extension. But here is the human truth. Switching between extensions is the new Alt-Tab fatigue. Science calls it context switching. Every time you move your eyes from your document to a sidebar, then to a pop-up, then to another tab, you lose 20% of your cognitive focus. I was tired of it. I wanted an AI that didn't feel like a plugin. I wanted an AI that felt like it was part of the internet itself. Stay with me, because in about 3 minutes, I'm going to show you a feature of this tool that actually reads your screen like a human eye. No more copy-pasting into ChatGPT. But first, let's look at the 10 victims I fired. Let's do a quick roll call of the dead. Grammarly, Quillbot, great for 2022. But why do I need a separate app to check my spelling when my AI tool can rewrite my entire tone from angry boss to empathetic leader in one click? Atify, YouTube summary, you know the ones. They give you a bulleted list of a video. My new tool does this, plus it lets me chat with the video. I can ask, at what minute did he mention the price? And it takes me there. Scribe, Loom, for documentation. Color Pick Eyedropper, for designers. Dark Reader, for my late night grinds. LastPass, 1Password, explain how the AI manages secure context. Keyword Everywhere, the SEO guys know this one. Stay Focused, to block distractions. Hunter.io, for finding emails. The ChatGPT official extension, yes, even the official one had to go. Why? Because having 10 different companies having access to your browser data is a privacy nightmare. One tool, one privacy policy, one subscription. It's just smarter. The tool is maxai.me, or your chosen tool. But wait, don't just run and download it yet. If you use it like a normal extension, you're wasting it. The reason this replaces everything is its vision capability. Imagine you are on a website. Maybe it's a complex stock market chart or a messy government form. Normally, you'd have to screenshot it, upload it to ChatGPT, and wait. With this, You hit a shortcut, and it sees the active tab. I'm going to show you a live demo of me using this to build a landing page in 60 seconds without typing a single word. But before that, let's talk about the workflow killer feature, one-click personas. Let's get into the weeds. Scenario A, the student, researcher. You have 50 tabs open for a thesis. Instead of reading them, I use the global context feature. I ask the tool, across all my open tabs, find the conflicting arguments about AI ethics. It scans the tabs and writes a report. That used to take 4 extensions and 3 hours. Now, 12 seconds. Scenario B, the freelancer, earning money. This is for the Brainy AI family who wants to make bank. I use the smart reply feature on LinkedIn and Upwork. But I don't use the generic AI voice. I trained my tool to recognize my writing style. It scans the client's job post, finds their pain points, and drafts a proposal that sounds like me on my best day. Scenario C, the coder. I'm not a pro coder. But with the side-by-side code interpreter, I can highlight a broken piece of JavaScript on a live site, and the tool suggests the fix in a floating window. No more jumping to Stack Overflow. Feature, old way, 10 extensions, new way, the 1 tool, speed, 12, 5's load time, 1, 2's load time privacy, 10 data trackers, 1 secured hub cost, $50 per mo, multiple subs, $15 per mo, 1 sub, effort, constant tab switching, 1 shortcut flow. I want to be real with you for a second. We talk about replacing things a lot on this channel. But what we are really doing is reclaiming. We are reclaiming our time. When you remove the friction of 10 different icons clashing in your browser, you stop being a manager of tools and start being a creator of value. In 2026, the gap between the people who use AI and the people who master AI is widening. Using 10 extensions is just using it. Consolidating into one powerful workflow. That's mastery. If you stay until the very last minute, I'm going to give you my custom prompt library that I've coded into this tool so you can use it exactly like I do. If this helped you clear your digital clutter, hit that like button. It tells that Brainy AI viewers are the smartest people on YouTube. Don't forget to check out my other video on 5 AI skills that pay $5,000 a month. Because now that your browser is fast, it's time to make that money.